Hey, what up YouTube, this is Tech here, back with another video. Today we're going to unbox the Google Pixel 3 XL. This is going to be a simple unboxing video. I'm going to go over more stuff on a review video coming up later on the channel, so make sure you subscribe if you want to see that video. Let's get right into the video and let's open the box. You can see that Google has been trying to make the unboxing experience a little better, close to Apple. They have the Pixel on the front. You can see that it's the Pixel 3 XL, and you have Team Pixel on the back. This is just making sure that you know that there is a Team Pixel hashtag going on. This is actually the 64 gigs black version. In the box, first we're going to find the Pixel, which is, I'm going to show it later. I'm just going to show you guys what's in the box first. Also in the box, we get the user guides and your SIM card ejection tool. Also in the box, you're going to find a pair of headphones. This is a first for Google. Before, they didn't really include any headphones with their devices. They actually did that this time around, so that's a plus. Then we get our USB Type-C cable to charge the device. You can see that this is also a little different. It is USB Type-C on both ends. Then we get the power brick. This is a fast charging power brick, not like Apple that includes a regular power brick. We also get this tiny USB Type-C female adapter if you want to connect a USB cable to it. And of course, we also have the dongle. This is the USB Type-C to the headphone jack adapter. Now let's take a look at the Pixel 3 XL itself. I'm sure that's what you guys are here for. By the way, I took the plastic off this device. I got it this morning and I did not have the camera with me, so I couldn't resist and just, open the box and unwrap the device and used it for a few hours already. You can see that two-tone back. There's actually glass on the back. The top has a nice finish to it, and then the bottom has sort of a weird texture to it. It's glass, but they did something with it. It actually makes it feel grippy. You can see that on the back we have the regular camera that we get with the Pixel phones. There's only one lens. Google's doing wonders with just one lens. We also get the fingerprint scanner, which is at the back. It's nicely placed. There's no complaints whatsoever about this. This is actually the phone with the best fingerprint placement ever, so I can't really complain about that. As you can see, the Google Pixel 3 and the Google Pixel 3 XL now have the buttons on the right side of the device. On the left, we don't have any buttons. I'm guessing that's because Google had to put some sort of sensor on the left side, and they couldn't put the power button or the volume buttons on the other side. Also, you can see that the screen of this device looks really nice. You can see those colors pop out a lot. You could tell that this is a Samsung made screen, and also you can see that notch. It's sort of a happy notch though. You can see that it has this weird shape, which I'm not really sure how I feel about it. I'm probably gonna end up just hiding that notch. You can do that by activating developer mode. All you have to do is go to settings, then you go to system, and then you go to about phone. Then you tap on build number 7 times, and then that's going to activate developer mode. Now you want to go back and go to advanced, and then go to developer options. Here you're going to find a drawing section, and then that drawing section is going to have a display cutout option. So here you can see that you have device default, you have the hide, you have the corner cutout, you have the double cutout, and the tall cutout, which is also the default as well. I'm probably gonna go with the hiding the notch, just because I hate notches. One of the problems that I had with iPhone XS Max is the notch. It's just, at this point we're all kind of getting used to it. But it does take from the real estate of the screen when you have it at full screen. Here, let's try it out. Let's go to my channel and just play a video. As you can see, the notch is actually taking a lot of space. There's no way to avoid looking at it while you're watching a video. So yeah, a lot of people, including myself, don't like the notch. But there is a reason why Google has this big ass notch. And that's because they have 2 lenses, 2 cameras on the front. These 2 cameras help them make what they call a group selfie. where you could fit more into the front camera. You can make it wider or you can make it smaller. Also, the other reason why we have this big notch on the front is because of the speakers. So this is kind of why you have that notch in there. I want to show you guys the amazing sound coming out of these speakers so you guys could judge for yourselves. As you can see, these speakers can get really loud. I mean, I love the Pixel. I love the stock experience that you get with the Pixel. The device is really fast. The camera is great. I love the Pixel experience. With the Pixels, you get a pure Android experience. You know, it's really the best Android experience you could ever get on an Android device. You know, pure stock Android. I really love it. I can't complain about the screen. The speed on this thing is great. I usually make it a little faster by tweaking the animation speed, but I'm not sure if I'm going to do that this time. I do that to all my Android devices, but I'm probably not going to do it with this device. I just feel like the device is really fast, and there's no need for me to do that at this point. The camera is also one of the biggest things on this device. There were a lot of updates that were added to it, and I'm looking forward to testing these. I'm going to test everything out for about a month and just do my review about this phone, because I do like to have, you know, a good month of experience before I could tell you guys if it's worth it or not. But by the first impressions that I got with this device, I think it's definitely worth it. I mean, the notch is really a problem for some people. If it is a problem for you, you know, you have the option to hide it. If you don't like how it looks when it's hidden, then this is not your best option. So you could go maybe with a Galaxy Note 9, or you could also do the smaller Pixel. The smaller Pixel gives you the same experience for $100 less, and it doesn't have the notch. Alright guys, this is pretty much it for this Pixel 3 XL unboxing video. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up on this one. Also make sure you're subscribed. I have a lot of more videos coming up your way. And as always, catch me on the next video.